The Constitution of India, Preamble. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution.
Welcome back to our new session. I hope you all got the information about our public exam, is it? So it's high time to study. Okay students, prepare well. Okay, we'll arrange the practical activities, no worries. Okay, so we have completed our 10th chapter and we have discussed about the different ERP packages and solution providers and what is an ERP system, is it? So next we are going to complete the 11th chapter, that is the last chapter we are going to study. Okay, it is related with trends and issues in ICT. So we know that what is ICT, that is Information and Communication Technology. We know that nowadays it is very popular and we are studying with the mobile devices and internet. And everywhere we are using the internet technology, is it? So let's see what are the main technologies which is related with this and what are the different contents which is related with the mobile communication technology. Okay, so let's start. Fine. So here we are going to discuss about what is information and communication technology. It is generally known by IT, that is information and technology. And generally it is related with the communication service, that is we have to communicate with each other using that technology. And nowadays it is widely happened through in different fields or else in every field, is it? So we'll discuss what is it, telecommunication technology, or in which sector it is generally, that is we have implemented. So the first one is mobile computing. In mobile computing we know that the devices which we are using to connect the internet or another activities. So generally mobile means it is moving or we are transferring from one to another. So we have using the hardware or the system, that is laptop, mobile phones, like that. We can connect anywhere. That is the connection, it is wireless phone. Is it? Okay. So generally we are going to discuss about what are the developments in the mobile computing session. Okay. So the first one we are going to discuss about mobile computing. That is mobile communication. So using the cellular phones, we can connect or we can communicate each other. And what are the technologies which is related with this mobile communication? So like computers, we have different generations in mobile phones also, or mobile communications. So let's see what are that. Okay. So the first one is first generation. Here it is related with the wireless phones. We know that cordless phone, that is we have used that. It will connect in a particular distance only. We can take a receiver from a particular distance. Okay, and we can communicate. Only that facility is available in that first generation, but it is very slow to transfer the contents. Okay, and the next one is second generation networks. So this technology it makes the development of the SIM, that is subscriber identity module. Using that SIM we can transfer, we can take the phone to one place to another session. So in this technology generally it is related with the GSM, Global System for Mobiles. You know that by connecting the 2G network you can see that GSM or Edge. It will see shown with E. Is it? So GSM it is generally related with the communication between. We can make the call using that cellular phone, the basic mobiles. Okay, it won't connect the internet. Clear? And after that it is updated into CDM, that is code division multiplex. Using different data packets it will send the data or it will communicate with another device. Okay, so generally it is used that general packet used the radio services, that is radio waves to communicate. Okay, for that we are using towers to transfer the radio waves. On this generation only we have implemented the towers in another app, that is access. Clear? So generally 2G network is again expanded to connect the internet facilities to send a mail or any MMS like that. Okay, for that they have the updated technology, that is GPRS. It is connected with that and it is known as enhanced data GSM, right? So GSM, that is the edge technology. Clear? We can see that in 2G network there is an E symbol. Okay, we can send SMS and like that it is included in this section. So while sending SMS you have the option a receiver and sender, is it? So these are the contents in second generation and another one is third generation. That is nowadays it is generally seen in that. Is it? So the SIM it is updated the technology by wideband code division multiple access. It will connect more area. Okay, using some satellite connections. Okay, so that is the technology and it is used at mobile towers and another base stations. Clear? And the next one is fourth generation networks. That is the current network which we are using in every area. It helps to transfer the content very fastly and we can access more applications or the software packages. Is it? Its technology is long-term evolution. Okay, LT, 4LT volt, that is VLT, like that we have seen. Is it? This generation it is related with that technology. Clear? It helps to access more data and like videos like that we can access in mobile devices. And the mobile devices it is made as a smartphones. Using the touch screen you can access the content. Okay, and here the fourth generation network we can access the video, high quality of streaming video. We are generally using that OTT platforms, is it? Okay, and it is generally included the orthogonal frequency division multiplexer, that is OFDMA. Okay, and generally it is used in the smart or Android TVs. It is connecting that networks. We are using in our home, is it? Okay, so these are the facilities which is related with that fourth generation network, the current generation which we are using, is it? Okay, and the next section is fifth generation networks. It is the next step of evolution in mobile technology. Most of the abroad companies, that is countries, they are using this facility, is it? And it will offer the more number of connections and energy efficiency and the cost effective data transmissions. Okay, and 5G will be available in wireless access solutions and demands and requirements of mobile communication in 2020. By 2025 the fifth generation mobile communication will be very popular. So these are the different generations which we are discussing. So we know the technologies what we are using now, is it? Okay, and next we are going to discuss about mobile communication services. What are the services it is available in mobile communication? So the general services are SMS, is it? And another one is multimedia messaging service. Another one is GPS, global positioning system. And the next one is smart cards. We are using the debit cards or credit cards, like that we have different type of cards, is it? So these are the services generally we are using in mobile communication technology. In SMS, short message service, is it? We are using a limited number of characters to communicate, is it? So the second generation computer it offers that. Generally in short message service it has a receiver and sender and receiver, and it has a server system. It will receive that message and it will direct the message to that send, that is receiver. Okay, and the next one is multimedia messaging service, that is MMS. It includes pictures, videos, and short clips like that. Okay, and the another system is global positioning system. It positions a particular area like the maps and another activities. It is related with that particular service. Is it? We can locate the place and another session. Is it? And the next one is smart card. So the cards it is available in different sectors, like in bank, or if you are transferring money means you have the cards, or if you have to take the details of your things means it is have a particular card. Is it? So these content it is related with this smart card. A small chip it is inserted in that particular card and it includes all the details of it. So these are the technologies we are using or services we are using with this communication. And nowadays it has become the online transactions, like we are using the different apps for payment, is it? So these are the contents for in different mobile services. Okay, and the next one is mobile operating system. So we know that mobile is a device or it is related as a computer device, is it? Nowadays we are using the smartphones and it is related with a small system. So generally in computer we have the operating system. Is it? The software which is related or it is a platform between the user and the interface. Is it? User and the device. Is it? So like that we have the operating system in mobile phones. So the popular mobile operating systems are here Android. Is it? It is developed by Google, iOS from Apple, BlackBerry OS from BlackBerry and Windows. Is it? And Windows operating system from Microsoft. And we have the Windows Phone also. Is it? So these are the general operating system which is related with the mobile devices. And nowadays the Android operating system it is made as popular. Is it? So let's see more about Android operating system. These are the different icons it is related with mobile operating system. Okay, so an Android operating system is generally developed by Android Corporation. Okay, and later it is owned by Google. Clear? And the next one is the Google team. They have related with the kernel or Ubuntu software and they have developed that particular Android operating system with Open Handset Alliance. Okay, with that company they have made that particular, now it is made as an Android operating system which we are seeing nowadays. Clear? And generally in Android operating system we have different versions. The first Android operating system is Cupcake. Okay, and we have different levels till 9. So the latest version is Android 10. Before it is named as Android Q and it is again changed as Android 10. Okay, so these are the different sections or the different operating system we are discussing today, that is mobile operating system. So next we are going to discuss about the ICT in business, how the information and communication technology is related with business. So generally it is related, the first section it is social networks and big data analytics. So we need to understand what is the customer's need and how the customers it is related with that. Is it? So first of all you have to know about the customers and you should get the customer's detail. So the social networks it is related with this database. Is it? So by connecting these platforms we will get the information and the reports. Is it? We can analyze the content and we can develop or we can get the or we can decide what we have to do for our business growth. Is it? The first section it is related with social networks and big data analytics. Okay, and the next one is business logistics. We know that logistics means transferring the goods from one place to another place. Is it? And we have to know about how it is transferring and if it is reaching the requirements or not. Is it? So we have to manage the resources by using the logistics. Is it? It is It is connected with the different products like food products and goods like that, is it? So we know that how we can transfer when we have to reach the products to the customer like that. So it is related with the radio frequency identification technology. A new technology or the technology which is related with that logistic means RFID. Okay, that is radio frequency identification technology. And here we can detect the devices or the transferring vehicle, if it is reached or not, how it is going, like that. And this technology is related with that. If you want to identify animals or number of animals in a product means you can include. Okay, this is the code which is or the chip which is implementing in that surface. Okay, it is activating with that radio technology. So we can access from anywhere. It won't break in a particular time. Okay, so in these lines it is coded with the details. It is very easy with that more than barcodes. Okay, so this is another technology which is related with that logistic. Clear? And next one is information security. See, we generally know that we are sharing the information through that internet technology. Is it? So we have to secure the information, or we don't want to, or we want to protect from theft. Is it? So how we can secure the information and what are the policies it is related with that technology? The first one is intellectual property right. That means if a musician is creating a music or a video, if someone is copied and he has that is created a duplicate one means it's a theft. Is it? It is an intellectual theft or their creativity theft. Is it? So we have to protect so that creativity also it is an information or their privacy. Is it? So we have to protect. A organization is developed, that is World Intellectual Property Organization, and they have made a particular rules and to protect the creativities. Okay, like music and other things. Okay, and for in India we are using the intellectual property. India like that we have an organization, we have to register. If you want to protect your creativities means you have to register in that session or in that organization. Okay, so this is the first information security process. If you are a creative one and you have to protect your creativity means you can register in this session or an organization. Okay, and the next one is industrial property right. So we know that we have different industrials and to product different products, is it? And they are producing the different sections. So the first one is we have the patents. Is it? You have heard about that. Patents means it is an exclusive right granted for an invention. If you are inventing any particular products and if you are designing any products means you have the right to protect. Okay. So such section is known as patents, and you have the rights to produce more than. Okay, so such section is known as patents. It is related with the industrial applications. Okay, so like Woodland Shoe, Royal Enfield, like this we have different patents. So that is related with industrial property right. And another one is trademark. That is we have distinctive signs or any logos like that for a particular goods or a companies, and they are providing a particular service. So such property rights or the industrialization is known as trademark. Okay, but these are the examples for different companies, that is logos for different companies, and these are their trademark. By seeing the Godrej, by this you can identify it is in Godrej company, they are producing their particular products. Is it like this BSNL, Infosys, like this we have different trademarks. Is it? And the next one is industrial designs. We know that some bottles or like that some phones like that we have different particular designs to identify the particular companies. Is it? So that section is known as industrial designs. The visual designs of the particular objects like Coca-Cola bottle, iPhone designs. Is it? So these are the sections which is including in the industrial designs. And another one is geographical indications. The particular sign or the products which is specially or the geographical origin we have. It is identified by its geographical origin. Like RNL mirror, like in our SLR chips, they have a geographical identification. Okay, so like this, we have the different geographical indications for different products. Okay, students. And another one is copyright. That is, we have copyright. That is the creations or the original works, any music, is it, or any designs or any art we have it. They have the rights to produce or the copy, that is create copies. Is it like books or music like that? So we have copyright videos in YouTube. If you are using that video, means you have to get the permission for it, or else you won't produce its copy. Is it? So such rights which is applying in an artistic or creative sections or in intellectual section means it is known as copyright. If you want to get the copyright means you have to register in this copyright office or the government. We have a section for that. You have to register in there. Okay. It will be in a limited time. Clear? Okay. So these are the industrial property rights we have generally for an connected with the different services and the products. Okay. And here are the symbols which we are generally seeing in this industrial designs. R for that is registered. If you have any registered name for a shop or anything means you have that. You have to register that. Is it? And next one is trademark. Unregistered trademark means it will give us TM. And if it is copyright means we can see it as this symbol. If you check in a particular book means you can see. Okay. And another one is sound recording copyright. Clear? So these are related with that. That is, it generally include to protect the informations and to avoid the information theft. Is it? So these are the contents we are discussing today. So go through that. It is related with the theory topic. Generally you get the 3 marks or 1 word questions. Okay, like this. So go through the textbook. Clear, students? And start your studies. We'll see you in the next session.